Hey there, adventure seekers! Welcome to our journey through breathtaking landscapes and unforgettable experiences in our trusty Toyota 4Runner 5 Gen. Today we are diving into the heart of travel, cooking up delicious meals and embracing the great outdoors. Let's roll! We are all about exploring new horizons, and our Toyota 4Runner is our reliable companion on every adventure. With our custom camping system from Wheels Fields, camping has never been easier. Click the link below to check it out and upgrade your travel game. Now let's cook the breakfast with a nice view to Big Bend National Park. It's a simple but delicious food. Fried eggs with sesame seeds and cheese. Time for a little taste in our 4Runner at Old Maverick Road. Of course, it's not a serious overlanding, but it brings a little fun between enjoying nature. Thanks to our efficient storage system, we whip up gourmet meals at every stop. From warming up food to making coffee, it's a breeze. We are enjoying nature again. We keep all our gear organized inside the trunk. It's easy to pull out a heavy fridge even for such small folks like me. Today we are making delicious tacos with crispy shells, beef, avocado, cilantro, salsa, tomatoes, sour cream, cheddar and hot sauce. That's delicious! Click the link below to get your camping system now. If you've enjoyed our adventure, don't forget to hit that like button, leave a comment sharing your own travel stories, and subscribe for more exciting journeys ahead. As the day winds down, it's time to transform our 4Runner into a cozy heaven. In just minutes, we set up our sleeping platforms, creating a flat, comfortable space to rest peacefully.